Welcome to Occam's Razor, Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. Today we have nothing to do with gardening, cooking, or canning. We're going to show you how to extend the life of your pool filter. Now, a lot of above ground pools come with these disposable filters, and man, are they ever difficult to get clean. But there is an easier way, the Occam's Razor way. So before you change your filter in your above ground pool, make sure that you turn off the power to your pump. You don't want that turning on while you're changing the filter. And just follow your instructions on removing the filter. Obviously. And the first thing you will notice that this filter has a sock. I'm just going to drain the excess water out of this. All the gunk that didn't get stopped by the filter. All right, let's move on to our filter sock change area. Now your sock is very easy to put on. I just take it off. And you'll notice each time you take it off, it'll be a little more stretchy to the point where it's actually going to start having some holes in it. But this is so easy to clean. And your filter, well, your filter, you see a little discoloration. That's it. Probably takes you more time to get the filter out of the pool and put it back in than it does to clean it. Now, your sock, as I can see, its condition's still rather good. And if I was to put a new one on, you could see new one's obviously a little less stretchy. I've been using this one for 2 weeks. I'm gonna get another use out of this one before I put the new one on. All right. Let's go put it in the pool. Oh, wrong way. There we go. And turn your power back on, and your pool filter is cleaned. Good luck. Hope you can find those socks. It'll save you a lot of money on those pool filters. See you next time. When you use these filter socks, these are the ones I use, but make sure that when you put them in your pump that you ensure that the water flow is protected from going into the filter. Because you'll notice that the filter container that's used in the pool in this video, the water is pushed from the outside into the filter. And the same thing occurs here, except that I have to ensure that the filter has the sock hole up, whereas in this other pool filter pump, it comes with another above ground pool, has the water flow going out through the hole. So the hole of the sock would be at the bottom as opposed to the top in this particular one. There's your little outflow valve there. And inflow here from the pool, just the way this pump was designed. So there you have it. There's your sock, if you can find it. Bye-bye.